guys, so I already have my brows on, and they're not from Fontana. I'm gonna look at Anchor Brow Pencil I always use. So next I'm going in with this Ingot primer. Hopefully it will focus for you guys. It's Ingot primer, and it just says it's on the makeup base and provides silky smooth finish, makes application easier, suitable for all skin type, and it's hypoallergenic. So I'm going to apply this as my primer. And you guys just saw, but this video is being done a week later because I pre-record obviously, but you guys just saw the one that I did using Absolute and the what's it called again, Max Factor, right? So that one went live I believe yesterday. So I'm back here today again, and I'm going to use some other products from Absolute, sorry, that I didn't get to use. So I am just going to go in with the products again. I can't remember what I use really. So I'm going with the HD Flawless Foundation, again from Absolute, and this is in the color Fudge, and this is the darkest, the second to last darkest one that they have. Second to last darkest one that they have. Alright, so I'm going in with the concealer, the Radiant Cover Concealer, and it is in tan. I think I used tan the last time. I think so. And I'm going to blend out using my same brush that I used to do my foundation. Alright, and for my low light, I'm going to be using LA Pro Conceal in Mahogany. So next I'm going to be going in with this HD, no, which one? I think I'm going to take this. This is in Ibiza, and it's again from Absolute. I'm going to be using my flat top brush. This is the PR356, and this is from the La Classique Trinite collection that Fontana had, but they're now sold out. Oh, I didn't blend out my nose. Again, the color is Ibiza. This powder is definitely full coverage. Definitely full coverage. So now I'm going in with, I think this is, yeah, this is the darkest powder that they have, and this is in Mocha. I can't remember if I used Mocha the last time. I really can't remember what I used the last time. So I'm putting Mocha on first where my low light is. Then I'm going to go all over. Alright, see, nice and blended. So now I'm going to take a little bit, just a tap and a tap, and kind of fling it off, and then I'm going to go down the side of my nose. I really don't have to, but I'm just choosing to. So Absolute has 3 eyeshadow palettes, and when I got here they were sold out. I was like, what you say to me, boo? So they have this one, and all the palettes I'm using, they're the testers, because we ain't nasty here at Fontana Pharmacy. So this one is called Twilight, and these are the colors with Twilight. And you guys know what these palettes look like. These palettes are dead ass, just like the Urban Decay palettes. Same packaging, and they come with the brush as well inside. This one is called Exposed, and I'm just really hoping that, you know, that the colors are nice. They're not as vibrant as my Santi palette. You guys know that my Santi palette is bay, but it's discontinued. This one is called Noir Garden, and I think I'll use this one today, the Noir Garden. So I think I'll be using all 3 palettes as a mother of fuck. This is Exposed, and I'm going to be taking the color Canvas, which is this color here. Canvas, tap off, and I'm going to pat Whoa. There's something going on with my skin. So this brush is at Fontana. This is a Revlon brush. Can I see that? Yeah. So which color am I going to take? I don't see. They're all shimmery. There isn't any matte one in here. The only matte one that they have is from this palette, Exposed. So I guess I'll be going in with this color here, and it's my all over face powder. So this is in Mocha. Putting that in my crease. So I'm going to be using I think it is Noir Garden. Yeah, the Noir Garden palette, and I'm taking Smoked. That greeny color right there. And I'm going to put that in my crease. But it is a little bit shimmery, and I'm not a fan of shimmer in the crease at all. Alright, so let's just move on to something else. Let's see. Yeah, this color here, the Inglot gel liner. Oh, and I don't know what number it is, but it's just a gel liner, and it's the purple one that they have. And I'm going to be using this as a base. Alright, so back in with the Noir palette, and I'm going to be taking Aubergine, which is this color here, and Aubergine. Put it. That's what it looks like. Alright, not bad at all. So that's Aubergine. Then I think I want to go in with Spruce, which is this color here. Spruce. And I'm getting Fallout from this palette. So I would definitely recommend you putting on putting on like either shadow shield or some loose powder to catch the fallout. So I'm going back in with Aubergine, and I really like how Aubergine is coming off. Spruce is not as deep as it is in the pan on my eyes. Okay. So next I am going to be going in with Let's Try Smoked, which is over here, and I'm still using the Noir Garden palette. It's okay, it's not like, oh my god, I have to get this palette. It's alright. I'm just really bummed that we don't have any transitional colors in there. So this would be like an accent palette. You know how with the Galaxy palette with Rihanna, when she came up with no transitional colors whatsoever? So this would be like an accent palette. So something that you can have to, if you want like a pop of color, but not necessarily to do a full look, unless you're going for something like what I'm about to do right now. Because all I'm using is these palettes. So I'm using the Inglot 77 gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to go back to Throwback Lyric, and I'm going to do a hell of a wing. Not wing, a nice cat eye.
Makeup school for the makeup.
I mean, it's okay. It's not giving me. I'm still being inspired.
Be inspired too. I'm inspired too.
Alright, so I think I'm going to this. I want to make this. I mean, you know, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. It's not popping. Maybe when I add the lashes, it will mean more to me. Tan to deep. Okay, so this is their strobing and shading contour, highlight and contour palette, and this is in tan to deep. That's what it looks like. So I am going to go in this color today for my glow. So something. I'm trying to learn how to not go overkill on my highlights. Trying to learn. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using dark blue, and it's from Absolute again, and it's a matte.
My phone is freezing.
It's like, you know, and I know it looks, let me show you this side, hold on. So it looks like this, right? I'm gonna say, oh, but wait, the LA girl, some of them don't look like this. It looks similar, but it's a complete different formula. It's a complete different matte formula. But the LA girl ones, it glides on a little bit smoother. Yeah. Alright, so I think I want to do something else on my lipsies. I'm going to take Castaway, that color there, and to go on the inside. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, alright, let's talk about how I feel about everything. Right, so I chose this color because of one, what I'm wearing, and I just like the darker colors, but they don't translate on my eyes as how they do in the palette. It looks deeper in the palette when it gets on my eyes. It's a little bit lighter, and some of them may say that's because you placed a base underneath it. Well, the base that I placed underneath it is a dark color base, which should draw out the darker undertones in the palette, which did not happen with this palette. So my overall assessment is that the palette is okay. It's not like drop dead, oh my god, girl, they'll run out and get this right here. But it's an okay palette. So if you want to invest in it, you can by all means. You by all means can. But for me, it's just okay. What I do love is the foundation, the concealer, and their low light, their highlight and contouring palette. I feel like they hit the mark where that's concerned. The foundation they could have a more a broader shade range, because I'm the second to last darkest one. So the darkest one is just a shade after me that fits me, and the highlight, oh my god, it's very light and it's full coverage. That's gorgeous. And again, as I say, this one here, I wish that this color was a little bit darker. It gave me, I applied some off camera, it gave me a little bit of something, but not too much. So it's a little bit subtle, it's not that, you know, not that much. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. What I was focusing on today, they're okay, but my absolute loves, hands down, is the foundation, concealer, and their strobing and shading, highlight, and contour palette. So that's it for this video, and thanks again to Fontana Pharmacy for allowing me to film here on location. I'm at the Barbican branch. They have 5 locations island-wide. They have locations here in Kingston, Montego Bay, Mandeville, Ocherius, and Sav. 5 locations. So red bottoms. So 5 locations island-wide. So if you want to know if one is closest to you, you can just Google Fontana Pharmacy closest to me, or nearest Fontana Pharmacy to me. You can just Google it, and it will just pin it right where you are, and the closest one to you. Thanks again for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, all that good jazz, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. One more video left, guys, for this year. One more. Alright, I'll talk to you next video. Bye, guys.